Hey, what's up? This is Michael Wittig. I'm excited to announce my new partnership with Core Fitness Pro, the maker of this premium ab roller. Let's talk about some ab rolling tips. I want to show you a few things to get more out of your efforts. So starting position, I like to get in what I call the scared cat position. But right here, I'm keeping my core very tight. I'm never relaxing. I'm flexing and keeping it tight. And notice my upper leg is perpendicular at a 90 degree to the ground. Now, as I come in for each rep, I'm never gonna bring my hip back. I wanna keep my upper legs straight up and down. So I'm in the scared cat position, tightening my core. I'm gonna stretch out and come right back into that starting position with the core tight. And I'll do every rep that way.